NGSL Writer. So guys, today I'll be taking to Rishabh collection, which is famous for earrings, bangles, rings and lots of accessory items for girls. So come on guys, let's have a look. Come on guys. Guys, see, there are lots and lots of varieties of bangles, party wear, simple wears if you want to wear it just in home, or almost you will get, see the bangles are so decorative and so colorful. You know, for Diwali festival and Dussehra festival, I think I'm gonna buy this. So guys, आपको यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं कि मिल सकते हैं ये बैंगल्स, जैसे सिंपल सा है. अगर आपको सिंपल सा बैंगल्स चाहिए, you can see here and all. Generally there are more than 3 to 5 rows over here, and see, come and have a look on these bangles. It's so pretty, no? And that's it. Actually bangles collection are awesome in Rishabh collection, and आपको simple सा भी मिल जाएगा अगर आपको ऐसे. Guys, this is the earring section. So this is just simple earrings, and look at these earrings. They're so pretty, no? And now अगर आपको थोड़ा बड़ा वाला चाहिए तो मिल सकता है. Lots and lots variety of earrings like party wears. If you want simple, these are the simple earrings, and see here for marriages, for lehengas you can wear. If you want hangings also, see this jhumka, so good, so pretty, and look at this jhumkas. It suits no for lehengas and all. These earrings so pretty they are. And if you want a grand one also you get. Like look at this hanging, see the earrings, they're so properly designed. And if you want like the latest one you will get, you can see lots and lots of varieties, so you can have a look in the earrings. See, you have tops and all, and then apart from that you'll also get this one. It's so much warm. I actually love this earring. How are these hairbands? Look at the hairbands, they're so pretty. See this one? It's the like a rabbit hairband, so funny one, na? And if you want like a decorative one, see this, and then come here. Oh my god, look at this diamond. Look, it's so pretty. Let me try. Okay, come on guys. You'll get a simple hairband, like if you want to school, like if you're school going students and all, you can have a look. See this hairbands? See these hairbands? It's so good. It's so good, guys. It's so good. So guys, these are like clips, and then fancy clips also we get. And see this, oh my god, look at this clip. They're so pretty, you know. See this one? आपको बहुत सारा varieties मिल जाएंगे. I'm telling you ना, come for this shop. See this hairbands, you get the normal hairbands. Now, so come on guys, let's go for clips section. So here are lots and lots of different varieties of clips, as you can see over here. Look at this fancy clips, they're so pretty, you know. आप चाहे तो जुड़ा में भी ये सब यूज़ कर सकते हैं. और मतलब देखिए, look at these clips, they're so pretty, you know. I love the clips actually, and then you get a normal clips. Now look at this. Look at this. See, it's so pretty. How am I looking? Look at this necklaces. They're so so pretty and so very very beautiful. And you get lots and lots of varieties of necklaces. If you want a necklace in jeans also you can take. You can see, as you can see over here, you can bargain if you know. And then so come on guys, let's go for diary section. So oh my god, look at this cutie pies. It's bunny, it's so pretty. It's a diary, you know, and I love the design, the way they have arranged. And apart from that, you can see cutie pie diaries. And अगर आपको चमकीला भी चाहिए तो मिल जा सकता है. And you get all the cartoons का मतलब जो friend का picture है, that also you get. Then apart from that, we'll get a simple books and all, diaries and all. That's it. So we'll go for keychain section. Look at these keychains. They're so pretty, you know. You get here also see. You can see beer ka keychain, and then torch keychain, and many my teddy bear, Barbies, Doraemon, Shin-chan, etc, etc. And apart from that, you also, how are this, I see this one, it's so pretty and cool, you know. It's rupees 75, and of course you can bargain it. I'll say the same thing again and again. Mickey Mouse keychains, and even you can even get pens keychain. That's it. So come on guys, now I'll be showing other sets of Tantanan. It's actually a keychain, you know, a Barbie keychain, so big and so pretty, you know. You can use as a playing thing and even a keychain in your bags or purses. See, I love the keychain. This is a normal keychain, you can say. And see, and there are many more varieties. You can see it's so beautiful. See this cutie pies and all, so cute they are. See this one, can't take it, sorry. And then see the Barbie dolls, so beautiful. They're looking so cute. So they're so cute, you know. And you know, like I just love teddy bears, you know. I can't see, I don't know how to express my, like, I just love teddy bears, you know. See, oh my god, see the Pooh teddy bear. Ow, oh my god, it's fell. See here, it's so pretty, you know. Mwah. And apart from that, you know, Pokemon teddy bear also, you get Pokemon, right? And panda and many more you can see over here. It's a very huge. Look at these bags. You know, you get lots and lots of varieties of bags. Like you can look and have a look at this bag. Like recently, I think I've taken this bag from this shop, and you can use this bag for picnics, or else if you're going to any trips with your friends or with your family, with your relatives, anyone you can use these bags. And apart from that, you can also use these bags for keeping your like generally some iPhones, or if you're going out for shopping, you can take the simple bags for small kids, you know. And apart from that, see these bags which I'm wearing. You know, these bags, like, we can keep generally all the makeup items, and you know, such as eyeliner, eyelashes, and all. And if you're a teacher, or if you are a working woman, you can take this type of bags. It's quite normal, and it's not heavy, it's lightweight, and we will be also having a discount, 10% discount over this. And then see these bags. Generally it has lots. If you want, you can two varieties of colors, like black and white. Generally kids can use these bags if they're going for dance classes or whatever, I don't know. And then see these bags are so pretty. You can have a look. And then if you want to go for parties, for that I have this. Actually simple. If you want more than that grand, you can have a look over this. See these bags, I love the the pearls, like whatever they were arranged, and the shining thing I like the most in this. And then even these bags are generally so stylish. If you are going for any shooting and all, you can take these bags, and for shopping too. And that's it. And these are just small purse, you know, like just keeping your cash and credits over here. It's actually, it will be safe, you know, it's waterproof little. And then these are really a stylish bags you can do and all. You can take anywhere. So this was my bag section. Now so guys, this bottle, it's Dr. H2O. As I said, it's good for health, so I prefer you all guys to drink in this type of bottle. See this bottle, it's so pretty na. And you will also get, I think these bottles are good actually for school going students. And see this one, if you want you can have a drink a milk over this and all. And see, have a look. You will get see lots of things if you want your house to decorate. Like you can see this a candle. It's actually a candle. Have a look. And apart from that, we'll be having lamps. Like see, if you want, you can just put it to the circuit, and you can see there will be a shining colors. You see over here, you'll also get see this mirrors. It's something, you know, putting in a wire and doing something. It's like you'll get a picture over here. And then see the toys, the मतलब देखिए, you can in a showcase you can put this and all items. It looks good. And see this Buddha, see this Buddha से ऐसे मार रहा है टन टन टन. अच्छा है ना. ये देखिए गणेश भगवान जी. And then see you can बुद्धा, आपको बुद्धा का मतलब you can get lots and lots of statues, different styles का. And then see here apart from that you also get good frames like this. It's nice na. You can just close it, and you can actually, if you want to put your photo, you can take out this photo and put your photo if you want. And that's it. And see this toys, see this, I think you should have this in your home. कहते हैं कि अच्छा होता है अगर लॉफिंग बुद्धा हो ना घर में तो अच्छा होता है. तो अब हो ऐसे ही राधा कृष्णा की जोड़ी तो देखो कितनी सुंदर से उन्होंने सजाया है. And if you want to gift for your husband or wife or anyone, you can give this and all. It's so pretty, you know. It's, I love the silver color over this. And then you will get horses, you can see over there. And then you will get the Bhagwan's God का statue भी मिल जाएगा. And then look at this makeup set, it's so beautiful. See, it's actually makeup sets are also available here with a very good proper rate and even discount. So now I'll be taking you to some of the things, some of the stuffs. As you can see over here, you can decorate in your home. See the allow the sounds. Sounds are good, no? So guys, look at this. It's so pretty now. You can use for lehengas and all. So now look at this cooling glasses. See, I love the cooling glasses. How are these cooling glasses? I think it's so pretty. You see, you have different colors and even variety. See, I love the design. You know this one. Then apart from that, you'll get many more. Like we'll get even see if you want lots and lots of varieties of cooling glasses are also available here of different colors. Like how do you want, you can choose over here. So hope you all guys enjoyed our video. Bye bye, love you.